Around town with Jen Meyers. Here I am at the new hotel, the Lapeer Hotel, right up the street from Craig's. You all know where Craig's is. Here I am with some of my colleagues in real estate. We have Jean Bush.
Hello,
Hi,
Around Town with
Jean.
Jen Meyers.
With Coldwell Banker. And what's your name?
Adrian Gallo, City of West Hollywood.
And what do you do at the City of West Hollywood?
I am in the planning division.
Okay, and so you're involved with this hotel? Tell us about that.
I was involved in the approval process from the ground up all the way to the finish for occupancy.
So tell us, this hotel is so unique. It reminds me of Soho meets Tribeca. It's a Kimpton brand, correct?
It is.
I feel like I'm at the Soho Grand or Tribeca Grand. It's got that New York feel in West Hollywood.
You could be.
How long was this project in the works?
You mean from entitlement or from construction?
Like how long did it take?
From, as I'm saying, from...
Well, just tell me both. Yeah,
Okay,
tell me.
so entitlement probably took, I want to say, 8 months.
Nice.
Building permits took another 6 months. Construction took 18 months.
That's not bad. That's not bad. And we have Ekaterina, my
Hi.
friend, who's also in real
How are
estate.
you?
It's a real estate kind of evening. So, what did you think about the house we saw earlier? Where was it?
It was okay. Definitely a bachelor pad, not a family house.
Up in the Hollywood Hills.
Not anybody older. A lot of stairs. Very beautiful pool with a view.
With all those stairs, they should have had an elevator, don't you think, Kat?
No, not for a bachelor pad.
Well, it was a pleasure being with you tonight. We'll have to go to the next Twilight together. Anything else about the hotel you'd like to tell us? What about, where are we sitting? This is the new restaurant in town? The hot spot?
This is the new restaurant in town, correct. And
What's the
then,
name of it for all the viewers that want to know?
You know, I wouldn't know that. I only know about the actual layout.
Isn't it Villaggio de Romano?
Let's go with that.
Is there any famous chef here or anything you want to say about it?
I'm not into the details of the restaurant, more of the actual
Any
building
celebrity
itself.
designers, you know, interior designers or...
Not that I'm
The
aware of.
lobby's stunning. I'll have
It
to
is.
do another
Have you
video.
There's a bar. Have you seen the bar on the outside?
I'm actually going to walk through it right now, but it was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much.
Likewise,
Love you, Kat. Besos. I'll be right back. We're going to walk through. I want to show you the lobby and this beautiful restaurant. Oh, there's Jean.
Around Town with Jen Meyers.
I'm showing the viewers the lobby. Do you like
Okay.
this hotel? What do you think about
It's a
it?
gorgeous hotel. Please come and stay. The Lapeer Hotel. Do it.
He's the owner.
All right.
You would think we owned it. There's the lobby. Hello. Hi, you're the manager of the restaurant, correct?
Yes, I am.
Hi, can you tell us the name of the restaurant? This is Around Town with Jen Meyers, and I'm just doing a
Wow.
little interview with the
Hello.
newest, hottest spot in town.
It is going to be the hottest
And
spot
what's
in
your
town.
name?
I'm Dwight.
Hi,
Dwight
Dwayne.
Scott. Dwayne? No. Dwight, yes.
And the name of the restaurant is?
Viale de Ramoni.
Oh, I like the way you say it. And what should one get when they come here? What are some of the best dishes?
Cicina to start. Always.
Okay.
Always go to Cicina. Yeah.
And I'm quite impressed with the spicy margarita.
Oh.
You have some good bartenders.
Yes, that's Daisy you just saw. She's one of our best. She created the entire beverage program.
Nice.
Yeah. So yeah, try it out.
Great.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you.
Hey, bring everybody by.
We will. We will.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
Love the design here. Love the design. So not only is there an inside bar, but there's an outside bar to take you. Gorgeous. Around Town with Jen Meyers. Thanks for tuning in. You never know where I'm going to be or who I'm going to meet. Till next time. Besos.